Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I attempted to do a Mihlali simple everyday makeup tutorial, and as you guys can see, it is I think it's a fail. But then again, I don't wear makeup, so I don't know. So if you guys want to know how I did it, or how I failed at it, please continue watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Let's be friends. And yeah, nice and hydrated. I use Revlon Color Stay in the color Caramel. So yes, let's put away. It's definitely not like a full color coverage makeup, but I think I like it like that. I do want to keep my natural look and scars and a little bit of that, just maybe like a bit toned, and yeah. But yeah, for me, I like it. And for somebody who likes full coverage, I don't think this would be for you. Maybe you should build it up, right? I've never highlighted, by the way, so bear that in mind. If it comes out bougie. So yeah, let's do this. And if I keep looking that way, I'm looking at the mirror, so let's highlight. So yo, let's go and zeal. I think that's how she did it, right? Can you guys tell that I'm struggling? Blends, right? She blends. Let us blend away. So I'm going to blend. Am I blending correctly? I don't know. Okay, that is that. Can you guys see me? No. Let's bring it closer to the light. So this is how I look like. And does. So she goes back with the brush, with this brush, sorry, so that she doesn't have any harsh lines. So that she doesn't have any harsh lines. So let's do that. On my face, I'm going to be using the Banana Deep Revolution baking powder. Yeah, literally written baking powder here. Okay, I'm making a mess. Keep on. Eyebrows, but I don't need to do my eyebrows because I have my eyebrows microbladed, so they're already shaped. So to contour my face, I don't have the LA Pro Concealer in that, so I'll be using my eyeshadow palette, and I'll be using this color right there, and using this brush. So my battery died, guys, so some of the footage is lost. So I've already contoured my face and the rest of my forehead. I just want to finish doing my nose. Going to go with my blush. I'm using the Revlon one. It's in this packet. There's the blush right there. So I'll be using my Rimmel London mascara to mascarize, as she says. What do you guys think? Do I look mascarized? I think so. Highlight, I go back to my palette, and now I use the highlight portion, which is the middle one. And yes, girl, it's highlights. I've never highlighted in my life, but hey. I'm forever seeing people doing this highlighting. I think I messed up the highlight, but like I said, I've never highlighted in my life. It's just pretty much just sitting there. And for the lips, I'll be using this Kissing Beauty Cleansed matte lipstick in the shade Coco K. And this is how it looks like. We'll just go in with this color here on my mistakes I'm making, but it is my first time, so I'll forgive myself, and you guys must forgive me too. But yeah. Set my makeup, I set with Maybelline Lasting Fix. And that is it, guys. This is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe and come back for more videos. Bye.